Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a quick, simple and delicious side dish made with brinjals. We're going to make this wonderful Andhra style green masala curry. Now this has got great flavors and it's very simple to make, so let's get started and check it out. The first step is to prepare the masala paste. I've taken a small piece of ginger that's finely chopped, 9 cloves of garlic chopped and 9 green chilies chopped. Grinding these in a mortar releases an amazing aroma and enhances the flavors, making it absolutely delicious. If you don't have a mortar and pestle, you can just coarsely grind it in a mixer jar. Next, heat a kadai on medium flame and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. When the mustard seeds start to splutter, toss in 3 finely chopped onions. Sauté the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes until they turn golden brown. Now add the freshly ground masala paste to the sautéed onions. Mix well to coat everything evenly. Since this recipe gets its spice only from the green chilies, adjust the quantity of the green chilies according to your spice level preference. Next, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a teaspoon of rock salt. For a burst of freshness, toss in a few fresh curry leaves. Mix everything thoroughly. I have already chopped and soaked half kilo of fresh brinjals in salt water to prevent discoloration. Fresh green brinjals work best for this dish, adding a vibrant color and a rich flavor. Here's a little twist in this dish. Now we are cooking this without adding any water. The brinjals will cook in their own moisture as well as in the oil. Reduce the flame to a medium, cover the kadai with the lid and let this cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you'll notice the brinjals have softened beautifully. Adjust the oil as needed for a perfectly cooked dish. Finally, garnish with some finely chopped coriander leaves for a pop of color and freshness. Turn off the flame and there you have it, a quick and flavorful brinjal masala that's ready to be served. Notice how soft and perfectly the brinjals are cooked. Always choose fresh green brinjals to enhance the overall flavor. This simple yet satisfying recipe is perfect for pairing with hot rice and will surely become a family favorite. I really enjoyed that dish with that nice hot steaming rice. The brinjals were cooked perfectly. They were so soft and it was literally melting in my mouth. Now the key to this dish is to buy nice fresh brinjals to enhance its flavors. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.